Use the landing gear lever to retract the landing gear. The green lights extinguish and the red lights illuminate while the gear is in transit. When the main landing gear retracts, the system applies the wheel brakes. Hydraulic System A retracts the landing gear. When the landing gear are up and locked, the red indicator lights extinguish. There are mechanical up locks that hold the main gear in the up position. An over-center lock link holds the nose gear up. Move the landing gear lever to off. Extend the landing gear. When you move the landing gear lever to the down position, the system releases the up locks and the gear starts to extend. The red indicator lights illuminate when the gear is not locked. When the landing gear are down and locked, the green gear indicator lights illuminate and the red lights extinguish. You steer the airplane on the ground with the rudder pedals and the nose steering wheel. The rudder pedals turn the nose wheels a maximum of 7 degrees for use during taxi, takeoff, and landing. You use the rudder pedals to make small changes in direction. The nose steering wheel turns the nose wheels a maximum of 78 degrees. The nose steering wheel controls steering if you move the two controls at the same time. Hydraulic System A powers the nose wheel steering.